Welcome back to this video. Do you actually know that you can simply take screenshot or screen record in private mode on Firefox? So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to open up your Firefox browser. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three dots right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on settings. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down into the privacy and security section. Then you have to simply look for private browsing. The next thing you need to do is to turn on this particular button. It's that simple. Next thing you need to do is to simply go back and back. So this time around, we can switch to private mode. For us to choose to private tab, we want to click on here. Now you are in the private incognito tab. And for you to make a screenshot or screen record, what you want to do is to simply, I'm going to simply make a screenshot right here. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.